going to continue the environment chapter. In the previous video, I have told you about the food chain, about the food web. Now I will tell you the various trophic levels which are there in the food chains. Now these levels are also called the feeding levels because the reason is that they are just responsible for the transfer of the food from the one level to the another level. Now the various steps in the food chain at which transfer of food takes place are called the trophic levels. So each level is called the trophic level or the feeding level because in that levels from one level to another level the food is going to be transferred. Now see I will explain you with the help of pyramid also. This I will tell you this here that first of all the producers are there on the first level, on the second level primary consumers are there, on the third level secondary consumers are there, on the fourth level tertiary consumers are there. The primary consumers they are feeding on the producers, secondary consumers they are feeding on the primary consumers, and tertiary consumers they are feeding on the secondary consumers. So like this, these are the various trophic levels on which they are entirely dependent on each other, and like that the food chain is formed. Now the reason of the shortening of food chains, हमने देखा है कि हमारी जो environment में food chains जो है वो shorten होती जा रही हैं, उतनी exist नहीं कर रही हैं. उसका reason क्या है? Only the human beings activities. इंसान की जो खुद की activities है जैसे hunting है, because if the man is continuously hunting on the animals, then that species are going to be extinct. So the level of the food chain level is not going to be proper maintained in the proper way. Because if any level is going to be extinct, suppose the primary level is there, then secondary level is there and tertiary is missing over there. So food chain is disturbed. So the man's activity is only the reason why the man is himself responsible for that, because man is so irresponsible animal who is not taking care of the environment of its own. Study about the depletion of ozone layer. सबसे पहले मैं आपको बताऊंगी ozone layer क्या होती है and how it is formed. Now I will tell you the oxygen molecule which is present in the environment. You know we are going to inhale oxygen gas, then only we are going to be have the survival on the earth. Because this oxygen we are getting from the plants and we are giving carbon dioxide in place of that. So this oxygen is present over there in the environment, and this oxygen when it reacts with the UV radiations are ultraviolet radiations which are coming from the sun, then it's split up into oxygen molecules. Two molecules of oxygen they are split up into the two atoms of oxygen. One oxygen atom and the another oxygen atom. And these oxygen atom they are very much reactive. They react very fast again with the oxygen molecule and they form the ozone molecule. Again I am explaining you oxygen molecule with the presence of ultraviolet radiations which we are getting from the sun. It's split up into oxygen atom. These two oxygen atoms they are very much reactive. They are again react with the oxygen molecule and it forms a ozone molecule. Now this ozone molecule, this ozone layer which are having these ozone molecules, they are present at the 15 to 60 kilometer in the upper environment. Now we will see the importance of this ozone layer. This ozone layer is very much important for human beings. If it is going to be depleted it is going to be depleted day by day, तो उसका नुकसान क्या होता है कि it is going to have the harmful effect on the plants, it is going to have the harmful effect on the human beings as we are having the cataract disease of eyes and then we are having the skin cancer also. So it is only due to the depletion of this. उसका ये reason है कि students जो ozone layer होती है it is going to be absorb most of the harmful radiations. जो harmful ultraviolet radiations sun से आती हैं उसको ये एब्जॉर्ब करती चलती है और ये एब्जॉर्ब करके उसको अर्थ पे नहीं पहुंचने देती. अगर ये अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशंस अर्थ पे पहुंच जाएंगी तो धीरे धीरे हमारी लाइफ जो एक्सटेंड होती जाएगी. एट प्रेजेंट तो वो बहुत इफेक्ट कर रही है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया है कि आइज का कैटरेक्ट डिजीज जो है वो इसी कारण हो रही है. स्किन की डिजीज हो रही है ह्यूमन बींग्स में और बहुत सारी वेजिटेशन प्लांट्स जो है वो एक्सटेंड होते जा रहे हैं. अगर ये कंटिन्यू रहा तो धीरे धीरे ऐसा होगा कि सारी अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन जो है वो अर्थ पे आ जाएंगी, क्योंकि ओजोन लेयर में धीरे धीरे जो है वो होल्स होते जा रहे हैं। उस होल्स के थ्रू जो अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन एंटर हो रही है हमारी अर्थ पे, और एक दिन ऐसा आने वाला है कि व्हेन वी आर देयर इज नो लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ, तो उसको हमें सेव करना है, हमने अपने एनवायरनमेंट को प्योर करना है, हमने अपने एनवायरनमेंट को पोल्यूशन से फ्री रखना है, तो तभी हमारा जो है ओजोन लेयर जो है वो अपना काम कर पाएगी और ये अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन जो है हमारी अर्थ पर नहीं आ पाएगी।